So today we're on the 11th floor in northern Seoul, and I wanted to show you our compact apartment. So come on in. It's Asia, so you take your shoes off. We've got storage in here for your shoes and umbrellas and stuff. Come on in, I'll show you around. And here's just a regular small bathroom. It's got a shower, bathroom, what you need, nothing else. But you can come on in here into the living, dining, kitchen area. I really like windows in homes, and this whole place has one window. But it doesn't feel like it's like too dark or anything, because this is one big window, and it gives you a great view of all of Seoul. But over here, I'll show you around. Even though it's a small house, it's got a really good size refrigerator. So full-size fridge, full-size freezer. And you got your sink, and it is an electric stove, but it's a stove that works great. You can make whatever you want. And it's got the laundry machine right here. It's a laundry washer, laundry dryer combo, or you can dry your clothes right over here. But one more closet, because you can never run out of storage, especially when space is limited. You want everything to be multifunctional with good storage. So out of the kitchen into the dining room. This is the dining room table. You just pop it up. Pop it up. Eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner. Have a nice wine dinner date. And then when you're done, put it away. Put everything back. And then you come over to the living room. It's got TV. Some of the apartments here have couches. This one's a bed so that you can sleep a bunch of people in here. But nice bed, storage, TV, Wi-Fi, what most people need in life. But you can come upstairs to the master bedroom up here. This is the master room. Ignore all the ripped wallpaper. And I really like these styles of compact and practical living, but I don't know if these would pass code in most of America just because of the clearance and how low the ceilings are. But this is a nice sized bed. You can sit up. Over here is more storage, so you can have your clothing in here. Right now this is bedding storage in here. And it's just wake up, see the beautiful view of Seoul. I mean, that's subjective to who you are. But go downstairs, make your breakfast, head to work, head to the mountains, do whatever you want. It's just a very compact, practical, it's pretty low cost and low pollution. When you're living in somewhere like this, you don't need that many resources. Like we've got one small AC unit and a heater, and it keeps the whole place toasty or cold, and it works great and it's efficient. So I really like this kind of small lifestyle living.